Hey, welcome to Technology Trends. Alright Apple fans, buckle up, because the iPhone 17 Pro Max just landed, and Apple went bold. But are these changes genius, or just plain weird? Let's explain it. So Apple ripped off Pixel's sleek camera bar and said, let's make ours bigger, bolder, and emptier. It's a giant horizontal slab across the back, and guess what? The middle's just air. But hey, at least it's functional. There are now three 48-megapixel rear sensors, wide, ultra-wide, telephoto with 5 times optical, and even dual 8K video capture. Remember when Apple bragged about titanium like it was spaceship metal? Now it's replaced with aluminum plus glass. They say it's for durability and better MagSafe, but honestly, it feels like a recycled 2016 design on a $1,300 phone. Oh Apple, and yes, it's thicker, about 0.5 millimeters chunkier, just to squeeze in a 5000 mAh battery, the largest in any iPhone yet. They even added reverse wireless charging, finally, 7.5W support for AirPods, Apple Watch. Android fans have been doing this since 2018, but welcome to the future, Apple, 7 years late. Listen, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is like that kid in school who suddenly starts dressing edgy and loud, desperate to be different, but totally missing the point. This milestone feature means you can literally place your AirPods atop the phone and it charges them. Not speedy, but a handy touch. Apple claims it's refined with better magnet alignment, finally making it practical. Under the hood, the A19 Pro Chip, a rumored 12GB RAM, and vapor chamber cooling to avoid overheating during 8K video or gaming. The big 6.9 promotion OLED with 120Hz, Wi-Fi 7, USB-C, smaller dynamic island, Pro Max only, and upgraded 24-megapixels front cam cap it all off. Apple's pulling out the stops, massive spec bump, pro-level camera tech, even reverse charging. But that design? It's like a concept car that nobody voted for. Bold? Yes. Beautiful? Debatable. This is Apple trying something bold, but is it a step forward or just different for the sake of it? Subscribe for the latest updates on Apple, Samsung, Google, and more.